Have you ever wondered how to buy altcoins? Why people are so excited about these alternative cryptocurrencies? Well, let's dive into it. Altcoins, short for alternative coins, are essentially all cryptocurrencies that aren't Bitcoin. They emerged after the success of Bitcoin, offering different features, uses, and benefits. Now, you might be asking, why the buzz around altcoins? The answer is simple: potential. Altcoins present immense potential for growth and innovation. They are like the hidden gems of the crypto world, waiting to be discovered. Some altcoins offer advanced functionalities like smart contracts and decentralized applications. Others promise enhanced privacy, faster transactions, or even a more equitable distribution of resources. The increasing popularity of altcoins is a testament to their potential. They're not just alternatives to Bitcoin, but potential game changers in the crypto universe. Now, if you're wondering how to get your hands on these altcoins, stay tuned. Before you dive into the world of altcoins, you need to be ready. Just like traditional money, digital currencies need a place to be stored. This is where a digital wallet comes into play. It's a secure online location where you can hold, send, and receive altcoins. There are many types of wallets out there, so be sure to choose one that suits your needs. Next, having a secure internet connection is crucial. Remember, this is your money we're talking about. Using public Wi-Fi networks can expose your transactions to potential hackers, so stick with trusted and secure networks. Now, let's talk about research. The altcoin market is vast and volatile. It's important to thoroughly research the coins you're interested in before making a purchase. Look at their market performance, the problem they're solving, and the team behind them. Lastly, understand the risks. The value of altcoins can fluctuate widely, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Once you are prepared, you can begin the process of buying altcoins. Now that you are prepared, let's explore the steps to buy altcoins. Step 1. Select a cryptocurrency exchange that offers the desired altcoin. There's a multitude of exchanges out there, each with its own set of features, fees, and security measures. You'll want to pick one that not only carries the altcoin you're after, but also aligns with your needs and preferences. Some of the popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Remember, not all exchanges offer the same altcoins, so be sure to check their listings. Step 2. Set up an account on the exchange. This process is typically straightforward and involves providing some basic personal information. Security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrency, so choose a strong password and enable two-factor authentication if it's available. Step 3. Deposit funds into the account. Most exchanges will allow you to deposit funds using a variety of methods, including bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and even other cryptocurrencies. Choose the method that works best for you and follow the prompts to add funds to your account. Step 4. Use the funds to buy the altcoin. Once your account is funded, navigate to the market for your chosen altcoin. Enter the amount you wish to purchase and click the buy button. Some exchanges offer advanced features like limit orders and stop losses, but for beginners, a simple market order will usually do the trick. Step 5. Transfer the altcoin to a secure digital wallet. Leaving your newly purchased altcoins on an exchange can be risky. Exchanges can and have been hacked in the past, and if that happens, you could lose your investment. As a rule of thumb, it's best to move your altcoins to a secure digital wallet. There are many types of wallets available, from online web wallets to offline hardware wallets. Choose one that suits your needs and transfer your altcoins from the exchange to your wallet. And that's it, you've just bought your very own altcoin. Buying altcoins might seem complicated at first, but once you understand the steps, it becomes a straightforward process. So, let's quickly recap what we've covered. First, we discussed the preparation stage, which involves getting a solid understanding of the altcoin market and identifying the coins you're interested in. Next, we walked through the process of selecting a reliable crypto exchange. This is a crucial step, as the security and features of the exchange can greatly impact your altcoin buying experience. After choosing an exchange, we dove into setting up an account, which usually requires some basic personal information. Once your account is all set up, you're ready to deposit funds. Then, it's time to make the purchase and buy your altcoin of choice. Finally, we emphasize the importance of transferring your newly purchased altcoins to a secure wallet for safekeeping. Remember, investing in altcoins, like any investment, comes with risk. So, do your research and invest wisely. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, happy investing.